Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, May 4th. What I want to talk about today is flowers on your peppers or your tomatoes or whatever else you have before you get them in the ground. We've got peppers out there that froze back that we need to transplant. This is a good example of how you take care of your peppers. I'm just going to go ahead and pinch these flowers off. It seems like a shame, but it actually will do the pepper a whole lot more good by pinching these off or pinching them down to the first node, just like we did with the basil. It'll actually help them grow a little better. Now it's starting to rain, and the best way to plant is in the rain. Except the camera doesn't like it. So we're going to run out there and transplant this one and see if we can't do it without melting. So I'm going to preset. I'm going to take the biggest one. I'm just going to pop it out. So I have to do, and look at those roots, those are beautiful. Let me grab my trusty new little shovel. We're going to run right on out here. The patchy frost we got the other morning took all the leaves off of this one, so probably it'd have been okay, but without any leaves, and this one won't even know it got transplanted because of the rain. Planting in the rain. And there you go. That's all you got to do. And then I'll go ahead and let this become part of the mulch. I know that seems like a shame taking these flowers off, but on the transplant, it won't know whether to make roots or to make fruit. It probably won't do much of either. So it's good to take and prune them down. With your peppers, your tomatoes, your basil, a good pruning just makes them grow bigger and more bushy. You look at the basil that we split apart, transplanted the other day, right here where it's forking out, that's where we topped it off. This is the top that we rooted in a glass. Came from one of these that we took off right there. Look how much this has grown. Those are almost as big as this was when we pinched them off. That right there shows you that a good pruning does your basil really good. It does the same thing with your peppers as it will with your tomatoes. Our first little batch of praying mantis has hatched. We should have some more praying mantis hatching here directly, and I'll try to get that on camera. You can do this too. And I do want to thank you for stopping by and helping me transplant a frozen down pepper. But it's going to continue to rain, which is wonderful for the garden. So I'm going to head to the house and get a cup of coffee. So remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.